How to restore iPad without Apple ID or password if forgot. If you have forgotten your passcode or Apple ID and you want to restore your iPad, then here's how you can do it. You can restore your iPad using iCloud. On another device, open your web browser, then go to iCloud.com and sign in using your Apple ID. After signing in, you need to tap on Find My. Then click on All Devices and select your device. Now there you will see an option called Erase My iPhone. After that, all of your data including your passcode will be erased from your iPad. But for this method to work, you need to have Find My iPhone enabled on your iPad. If it's not enabled, then you will not be able to use this method. If Find My iPhone is not enabled, then try contacting Apple support. Open your web browser and go to the website Apple Support or support.apple.com. There you will need to select your device, select your iPhone. If there's an Apple store nearby, you can even visit that branch. Now select the option Forgot Password and follow the steps as prompted. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.